Reliability of measurement. So a measuring instrument is reliable if measurements recorded at different times give similar result. Obviously, we would not want to use measuring instruments if it did not give similar result under similar circumstances. Consistency is imperative. If we are to obtain useful data, as we have previously noted, reliability is a necessary but not sufficient condition for validity. Information regarding test reliability should be available for every test or measure. This information should specify the extent of the reliability, including the type of reliability and the condition under which it was obtained. Reliability estimates are expressed in terms of a correlation, coefficient, and therefore are not all are none scores. As we noted, correlation can vary from -1 to 1, but most reliability coefficients remains 0.0 to 1.0 range. The upper limits of the test reliability are established by the similarity of items in terms of what they have in common, inter-item correlation, and the numbers of items on the test. As long as the test items provides independent measures of the same construct, the larger the number of items on the test, the more reliable the test will be. This notion is reflected in the way many sports championships are determined, as in baseball, basketball, and hockey. So using a series of several games rather than just one. On any given day, a weaker team may defeat a stronger team, but it is unlikely that a weaker team will consistently beat a stronger team. Similarly, witness the Olympic decathlon. It is a contest in which athlete must take part in 10 events. Consider another example. A course in the psychology at the end term may have available 1,000 questions that could be used on the final exam. The final exam will be constructed by sampling these items. A sample of only 5 items would be too few for reliability purpose. As we added items, our reliability would increase rapidly. But beyond a certain point, reached rather quickly. Adding more items would add very little to our reliability. Thus, a 50-item test would be considerably more reliable than a 5-item test.